How about don't have to, guys? If you don't have to do something, you are lucky. You are lucky. If you don't have to do something, it's not required of you. You're fine. Don't have to do it. Don't worry about it, right? You don't have to do your homework. I'm not going to get angry if you don't do your homework, but I'll feel a bit disappointed, right? Or this one, like for me, I'm really lucky. In Singapore, I'm pretty casual. I don't have to wear a tie. I can be me, right? I have to wear glasses. Sorry, I have to wear glasses, but I don't have to wear earrings, right? And I don't have to go to a party. If my friend asks me, "Do you want to come to my party?" I could say no. I don't have to go to the party, right? And if I invite you for dinner, I would appreciate it if you came, but you don't have to come, right? I'm not going to get too angry with you. So, all right, you guys, and also you don't have to watch this video. You can leave right now, but I really appreciate that you're watching. Bye-bye.